Oh, that guy is not legit. That guy is hacking, like, literally. He's bunny hopping and then headshotting everyone. You're fucking bunny hopping, and then you headshot everyone. Not cheating.
Emilio! Yeah. I'm about to go boring on this thing. I've been doing rap shit for a little while. Beg your pardon, but my niggas get a little wild. Blunt aloud, screaming like a little child. Getting better, call me meta, I'm a little foul. Bitch, I'm fried rice with the soy sauce. Getting soaked up, let the boy floss. Yeah. Your vision so narrow like a motherfucking arrow. I'm just trying to get the point across. Fly people, yeah, you notice me. Niggas bobbing to my shit, check the buoyancy. I'm a motherfucking tired and I'm motherfucking tired of the crime and these rappers keep ignoring me. Conscious ass rappers trying to be a damn preacher. Buy fans but you can't pay for a feature. Twitter niggas always shitting when I finally meet you. I got qualities that honestly I couldn't teach you. I get up in the morning to write a paragraph, shitting on the hottest shit you ever had. It's the life of a nigga who don't have one. A pen in your hand, nigga, grab one. Good apples trying to separate the bad ones, but they always end up tasting like the last one. It's a double-edged sword if you standing out. They either jock you or they mock you, yeah, they plan it out. Raw wave, I'm about to sell a brick of this. The shove to your crib, serendipitous. Sarah Lee cut the beef cause I'm sick of this. Niggas thinking they Hercules with a sip of this. I'm a full-blown microphone stereo. Mixed breed, shot it with me, I don't know it heritage. Shout out to my fam, I was very well.